Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do 5 yoga asana for cervical spondylitis. We'll start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. We are going to start with simple neck movement. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Do it very slowly. This is very good for increasing blood circulation and strengthen your muscle. Let's do it again. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do Brahma Mudra. Hold for 5 seconds. Look straight. Left. Look up. Look forward. So 5 seconds each you are going to hold. Let's do it again. Look to your right side first. 5 seconds. Look straight. Look to your left side. Look up. Look forward. And release. So 5 seconds each you are going to hold. Excellent for pain relief too. A very easy exercise. Now let's do simple neck rotation. Let's do it with proper breathing, guys. Change the side. And relax, release. Now let's do one more exercise. This we call lioness pose. Inhale, look up. Relax your shoulder, pull your tongue out. Relax, release, look down, lock your chin. Relax yourself. So these are all very easy and you are going to see amazing result with this simple yogasana. Hope you like our video. Do like and share. Thank you.